So, are you thinking about moving to Oakville, Ontario? In this video, I'll show you Bronte Marina and different houses with different price points so you can see what fits your budget the best. If you stick till the end, you're gonna find all the secrets about the marina. I'm Milena and I'm a local real estate agent. Our team drops content every week about how is it to live in Oakville and the surrounding areas. We get calls from people like you every day, so it doesn't matter if you are moving in a week or a month or a year, feel free to reach out as our information is in the description box below. We will help you make that smooth move to Oakville. Here is the Bronte Marina. Beautiful place, especially today. The building in front of us is the Marina Club, and you can find a nice restaurant there. Hi, I'm gonna tell you now what is happening at Bronte Marina. For whole May and June, there are lots to do for kids. It actually says it's for kids until up to 99 years old, but there's drumming right there. Everything is happening in the park. So remember, this is May and June. Then the first weekend of June, which is this weekend, there is a free movie at the lake. And this is sponsored by the city. It's awesome. Then we roll on into the Veterans Day, where all the veterans hang out by the marina and board and go fishing in the lake. After that, we have the Pride Parade, and then for the kids, we have really funny story time at the library. There is a huge library in Oakville that you can do that. I want to mention something really fun. So if you're curious of history, there is a free walking tour by Bronte Society, and it's about an hour and a half. So you can call for the free walking tour and go around, and they're going to show you really cool things. Then on July 1st, which is Canada Celebration, there are fireworks at the lake, and it's pretty big. People get around, they're advertising their fun stuff for the kids to do. So it's July 1st, it's really big here at the marina. Then for the lovers of music, there is a contemporary artist that are local, come every week at 7 o'clock. So it's every Thursday at 7 for an hour. Contemporary artists are playing at the marina. And then for the lovers of the classical music, in July and August, there will be classical music at the lake as well, once a week for an hour. For the kids, there are a lot of fun events. So there's an art festival organized. And for people who are in the Latin culture or who like Latin music, there is a Latin festival on July 19, 20, and 21st. And then we are rolling into August when there's another art fest. And there's a big block party on September 21st from 11 to 5. That's really huge for Bronte. And we are rolling into the holiday season after that. So as you see, this marina is very, very active, and it's a very nice neighborhood to live. Where I am right now, it's a plank restaurant, and you can see the marina and the lake from here. This is the Sovereign House behind me that you can book the free walking tour, and they will take you around the neighborhood and Bronte Marina. You're gonna see the beach right behind the house too. So just keep in mind, it's only a couple of days a week and it's worth to see it. There are only, on this side of the marina, there are only 2 houses for sale because the neighborhood is very secluded and beautiful, historical. So I'll show you one of them, and you're gonna find the difference between the rest of Bronte Marina and this little area. If you go on the walking tour that it's set up here at Bronte Marina, they will take you to that little cemetery that it's in the neighborhood. I want to show you something different in Bronte Village. This is the first place that we're gonna see. It's a townhouse with 1 garage and 1 parking spot in the front. It's 2-story, This townhouse is $1.5 million and it's about 1,700 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, which is normal for townhouse to have an extra bathroom right here on the main floor. It comes to about $772 per square foot, and this specific unit is facing the lake, so it's a key location and there is walkway right in the front. These townhouses not only have a front yard on the bottom level, but also a nice balcony on the top. And the lake is your front yard. On the left, there is a huge marina, very cute, Bronte Marina, and a park. Here is the second house in Bronte Village. It's $2,238,000. And it has a really nice feature right here. Instead of having garage in the front, the garage is in the back, so you can park there and you have a lot of space for guests or extra cars. The house has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It's 2,700 square feet and it comes down to $835 per square foot. Also, the nice feature here as well is that you can walk to the lake. But the street is kind of a mixed street, so there are new houses popping, but there are also old ones, and you can see the difference. And I'll show you a third house. This is the third house in Bronte Village. It's 2-story, new construction, $2.9 million. It has 2-door garage and you can fit about 4 cars here in a driveway. The house has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It's about 3,600 square feet. That comes to $800 per square foot. It's a very good price actually because it's close to the lake. And if you look all the surrounding houses, you're gonna see that most of them are 2-story. And the neighborhood, it's upscale. The house behind me, it's $4.3 million. It's 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. And I'll walk you around to see how it looks in the front. But it's one of the few houses in this neighborhood, so it's probably gonna go fast and you're not gonna see many more that will be selling. This is the way that you reach the lake. The path goes right around the house. And you can see in the front that it's really beautiful. There's a basement floor and 2 stories on the top. If you go on this path, then you're gonna reach out a little cemetery that is part of the historical tour of Bronte Marina. Thank you for staying with us throughout the tour in Bronte Marina. I hope you like the houses that I show you and the different activities that are happening here. If you need any help finding a property in Oakville or Burlington or the cities around, feel free to reach out. Our information is in the description box below. We will be very happy to help you find the right place. Thank you again. You have a great day and I'll see you on the next video.